Today on Keeping Up with Kaylee, we're decorating for fall. That's right, I am so ready to decorate and have my place feel like all the fall vibes that it can. Usually I go straight into Halloween decor because I just can't wait. I think about it all year round. But this year I thought I wanted to enjoy my fall decor or my autumn decor a little bit before Halloween. Usually this is the stuff that I keep up after in Thanksgiving time, and I take away my Halloween decor, but I wanted to enjoy a few weeks before I transition into Halloween, which I will be doing a video of showing you how I turn my apartment from all my fall decor to spooky Halloween stuff. So don't forget to subscribe so that you can definitely stay tuned and see that if you're a Halloween fanatic like myself. I celebrate the month of Halloween, and that is just around the corner. I have a lot of spooky things up my sleeve or in my witch's broom. And today is my first clean with me. It's not an in-depth one. It's definitely cleaning still, so you'll still see some of the products that I use and me tidying up. I love watching those. They motivate me a lot. So I hope this motivates you to decorate and clean and enjoy this season of autumn. I'm so excited that it's here. I say fall, but I feel like autumn is more formal and just beautiful sounding. Okay, let's start decorating and cleaning.
When I start to decorate, I love to set a good ambiance, so I turn on my electric fireplace, I've been obsessed with this, and light a cozy fall scented candle. I had caramel apple on my table, so that's what I lit. And now I'm going to go over to this table that I got from World Market a few years ago, but it is still available, and I take off all of the items that I have usually sitting there year round, and I just kind of start maneuvering things and decorating and cleaning. I use the method Wood for Good Daily Cleaner. I learned this from Amy Lynn Sattler's YouTube channel. Oh my gosh, this stuff is amazing for my wood furniture, and I am so glad that I found it. Look at all the stuff it gets up. Ew, so much dust. You just don't even think that you have that much dust. This scent is in almond, and I love to clean right before I put my decor down because you don't want to keep putting your decorations on top of dirt because it's already been stored away with dirt. Now for my Meyers. Oh my gosh, I love the apple scented Miss Meyers cleaner. It smells so good, and I like to use this to kind of just clean off all of my decor. Like I said, it's been stored away. It has dust and grime on it that you just want to get off there before you put it out and enjoy it. I don't want to enjoy it with some dirty dust on there. If you aren't familiar with the Miss Meyers line, I absolutely love their line. It's pretty clean for what it is, and they have so many different fall scents. Now that all my decor is cleaned, I'm going to start decorating this table. I have this beautiful wood basket that I got from Target a few years ago, and I like to just put a pretty throw on top of it and just kind of make it look pretty in there. I absolutely adored this sign that I got. This is one of the first fall decor items that I ever bought off of Etsy. I think it's so cute. And this pumpkin I got from Hobby Lobby 2 years ago, and I think it just looks so real. So I take this little mini wreath with these pipe berries on it. I think it is so pretty, the colors in it. And I put this candle. I don't light this candle. It's just for decor. And I think it looks really nice. And then I just start playing around, seeing what I like and what I don't like. Usually something goes there different for Halloween, but I wanted to try something new, so I put this other mini wreath that I got. Look how pretty it is with all the pumpkins and stuff. So I put the lantern on top of this mini wreath, and I think it turned out really nice. I like the way that it looks. Very cozy, just what I'm going for. My fall decor is pretty country, I wouldn't say country primitive, but maybe country farmhouse cozy. I don't know how to describe it. I just like the way it looks. If you know how to describe it, please let me know down below so that I can have an idea of what it is. I love this little scarecrow that I got from Honey and Me. I absolutely adore this company, you guys. They have the cutest fall decor. It's country primitive and so stinking cute. I don't know where I got that pumpkin, but it goes with the same vibes. Now I'm just going to redecorate my couch. I love to make my couch very festive, so this orange knit blanket from HomeGoods is going to cover the top of it, which really makes my couch pop and feel like fall. Then I put these pillows on there. I'm not quite sure if I like the white included in this or not. You guys tell me, do you like the just beige pillow with the orange pillow, or should I add the white pillow on top? Now we're heading into the kitchen to clean and decorate. I have the Miss Meyers Acorn Spice scent. This is the newest scent. I absolutely love it. It's super spicy and perfect for the kitchen. I go back and forth between cleaning with this one and the apple cider one. They both are very fall-like. I have this little corner table over here I like to clean off before I put down my dish towel, which I'm mocking up as a tablecloth. I just think it looks really cute. Now I'm gonna go over and clean my oven with the same acorn spice. It just smells so spicy in here, it smells so good. And then go in with the same dish towel and put it on top there and just make it look a little festive in my kitchen. So my TV stand has to be decorated, no doubt. So I go in with that Method cleaner, the same one that I use, and I like to just get all the gunk off of there as well. Oh, this is my little Redskins pin because it's a football team we root for. And I decided this year the tradition was going to be put it underneath and hopefully it brings us luck. So far, not so good. So I'm going to put this 3-tiered pumpkin in front of my TV stand. I really like my TV stand to feel festive because I watch my movies there. And I found these from Michaels. I think they're so cute. Boom! Just with magical powers, I turn them on. But look how realistic they look. I love the coloring on top of the leaves there, and the twine is the wire, which is nice. I haven't seen that before. It's not that like standard wire, so I think it looks really realistic. I have this I love you a bushel and a peck that my grandma gave me. It's a cute little sign she gave me, but I'm going to replace it for fall with pumpkins for sale, which my dad found last year from Home Goods, and I think it's a super cute little sign. Then I'm just going to put up right here, and then I also have a little happy fall, just decor piece that my friend gave me that I'm going to put in the corner of my TV to make it look nice and festive for fall. Okay, the last thing that I have in my living room is this little table over here. It's kind of like a miscellaneous table with my essential oils and just some stuff in the drawers that are like, cords and things. So I have it over here in the corner. It used to be by my bed a long time ago when I first moved here. I just want to clean that up and decorate it for fall. So I take this wreath. I love this wreath. This is also from Honey and Me, and it's so detailed and beautiful. I can't really figure out which pumpkin I want to put in the middle. I think this is the one. Now I'm going to decorate my bed. I love to put stuff over my bed. I like to sleep with fall on top of my head, even though Ryan complains all the time that stuff is falling on him in the middle of the night. But whatever, he'll have to deal with it. So when I film, I usually take the pillows, the orange pillows, off my couch onto my bed just to make it pop a little bit more. I do need to find some orange pillowcases to put on my other pillows.
Alright you guys, that is it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I just feel so much cozier when I have my holiday decor up. There's something about holiday decor. Makes my heart happy, makes my apartment just feel fulfilled. I can't wait to start to watch some Hallmark fall movies, and then I usually try to wait for Halloween movies until October 1st, so thank you guys for watching this. My apartment is so small. I have so much Halloween and fall decor back at home on the East Coast that my dad has stored away for me. So one day, if you guys keep keeping up with me, hopefully I'll be decorating my nice big home. I don't want too big, just medium-sized home with all the fall decor and Halloween decor that I have planned in my mind. But I'm making do with what I got, and so far I think I'm doing pretty dang well. Alright, well, thank you guys for sticking along, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Happy fall!